A 99-year-old grandma discovers the secret of youth. How to turn on your metabolism in 3 seconds to burn stubborn fat like crazy. Increases fat burning. Decreases hunger. Supports healthy blood sugar. Increases weight loss. Increases longevity. Plus, how a 99-year-old grandma from a small village in Ecuador discovered the unusual secret to a younger metabolism. Do you know why you should sip a cup of licorice root tea at 1 p.m.? Or why some of the world's most famous celebrities sniff rosemary before bed? Or why you should have 2 cups of hot black tea after a long walk? If not, don't worry. I didn't know any of these secrets either. Until I spent the summer in Ecuador, visiting my wife's 99-year-old grandma, who doesn't look a day over 50, in a small village called Girón.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content, if you are interested.
I didn't know what their secret was, but everyone was thin, and looked so much younger than their age. Little did I know that in just a matter of hours, I'd stumble upon a breakthrough that could help end the obesity epidemic in America. Thanks to a new discovery from a team of scientists at the Salk Institute in San Diego, that can turn up your metabolism on command. Just like turning up the heat in your home, or the volume on your TV. Now you can do the same thing with your metabolism. Thanks to a little-known enzyme buried deep in your cells that stops the production of new fat and forces your body to burn up the fat you already have. Anyone can do this in less than 3 seconds a day. Whether you're 50 years old or 85, whether you're physically active or sit on the couch all day, just like turning on a switch. If your metabolism has always been slow, so no matter what you eat.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content, if you are interested.